Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off analytics on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. And here I am going to show you my analytics in creator tool, so you can see that analytics are now showing. So first step is to click on manage account and click on switch to personal account, and then I need to click on switch anyway. So you can see that now this is my personal account, and then I need to go into the creator tools, and here you can see that my analytics will be turned off and I am unable to see my analytics once I switch to personal account. So this is the process by which you can turn off analytics on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.